Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Polish potato pancakes. Now there are many variations to this recipe, as with all recipes. This recipe's written origins can be traced back to the 17th century with the Polish monasteries. But this recipe is also very popular in other eastern parts of Europe and also in Austria and Germany. There is a Jewish version of this recipe as well, which we will cover in another video. So let's get started. Start by peeling the potatoes, and then we're going to grate it through the large side of the grater. Also want to do that with an onion. If it oxidizes, that's fine. So in a bowl, take a cloth and add your potato and onion mixture, and then squeeze all the water out of it. You want to reserve the starch at the bottom and discard the water. Now take your potatoes, and to that, I'm going to add in a couple of eggs, breadcrumbs, and then I'm going to season it with some crushed black pepper and some sea salt. Give it a nice mix. You could also add in some herbs if you want. Form it into a nice ball, and then press it down into a pancake-like shape. Into your hot oil with your potato pancakes. Fry them up till they're nice and golden brown. Once ready, place on a rack just to drain all the excess oil. Season with some sea salt while they're hot, and your potato pancakes are ready to serve. It's that simple. Now, traditionally this is served with applesauce or with some sour cream. I'm using a bit of creme fraiche, but you could use whatever you like. You could also throw in some bacon in your mix if you want. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'm going to enjoy my pancakes. Till next time, bon appetit.